Hey guys, today we're working on a sink dishwasher. Water's starting to come up from here and spilling out all around here, so it's clogged up right here somewhere. A lot of times we throw a lot of food inside and the line backs up and clogs up the line, the breather. There's a breather for the dishwasher. So we need to remove this piece of plastic, get a screwdriver, push it here, pull. That, the other side too. Remove this. Try to use what you have. If you have a hanger, use a hanger. I have this right here. It's to clean out vents. So what you do is you stick it in there on the side of this, right there. Go down. Do this to unclog it. Let's go through here. As you can see, there it is. Do that a couple times to unclog it, pull it back up, and that's it. That should work. Thank you for watching. That should fix your issue. Now put this back in. There it is, clips on right here. So remember, if you want to take it out, get a screwdriver, push it in, push up, and then do the other side too. Put it all back together. That should fix your issue if water's coming out from there.